When I bought this apartment, it was with the view I have, and I said it's very nice. So they told me no, there is a little noise with the ascenseur, but it was not very, with no problem for me. But after they changed the motor over my roof, motor for ascenseur, the trick to heat water, a lot of noise, more and more and more. So I complain very often downstairs. And last year they decided to renove the conduit, les tuyaux, and I'm just under all these things. So they open all my roof, they make their work. They told me we will isolate very well. They isolate, but it's not very well. I have new noise with the ascenseur. One is not working now because when they said they don't have the piece to replace, and that was boom, 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 boom. I could not sleep, even if I sleep with bouchon in the ears. And I complained. They said yes, yes, and they did nothing. So that's why I have a friend, avocat, lawyer, and he told me I will help you. So he wrote all what I have to subir, I don't know the good word, and we will go in court because they repair a lot of things, and if you check, it's not very well done. The painture in the end of the walls, it's awful everywhere. It's worse in the evening. We can see all the bad works they did. I told them, and they said, oh, it's not our fault. You should say that to your insurance. Insurance said, it's not our problem. The problem comes from the people who work here. And I am there. But now we will go in court. If we make the tour of the apartment, I will show you what they did badly. It was done n'importe comment, anyway, and it's not okay. But now we will go in court because yes, and first they told me we will open the floor, the roof, so we will send you to an hotel and we will pay you the hotel and money to eat, because I could not make my kitchen. And I have been at the hotel 2 months and a half. When I came back, I gave them the bill. They said that's okay, but we changed the board in the new elections, and they said no, it's not our problem. So they réclamé, I gave them the bill for 2 months and a half. That was almost $12,000, meals and hotel. They never pay me. And the insurance, they said it's not a problem. So that's why we will go to court.